Case title: People of the Philippines versus Manuel Macal Bolasco, GR number 21111062, June 28, 2013. Doctrine: Parricide is a serious crime involving the killing of a spouse, parent, or child, which carries a heavier penalty than homicide due to the familial relationship. In parricide cases, the presence of qualifying circumstances, such as evident premeditation, can affect the sentence imposed. Self-serving claims of accident or provocation must be supported by credible evidence to be considered. Facts: Manuel Macal was charged with the crime of parricide for the killing of his wife, Auria Ytac Macal. On February 12, 2003, Auria was found stabbed to death inside their home. Witnesses testified that Auria had called for help, stating that her husband was trying to kill her. When the door was forcibly opened, Auria was found bleeding, and Macal was found beside her, attempting to stab himself with a belt buckle. He later fled the scene but was apprehended after seeking medical treatment. Macal admitted to stabbing his wife but claimed that the act was accidental. He stated that he was angry because he saw her with another man, and in his rage he aimed to stab the man, but Auria got in the way. The trial court convicted Macal of parricide and sentenced him to reclusion perpetua. Issue: whether the stabbing of Auria was accidental, thereby exonerating Manuel Macal from criminal liability for parricide. Held: the Supreme Court upheld the conviction of Manuel Macal for parricide. The court ruled that Macal's claim of accidental stabbing was not credible, as it was contradicted by the testimony of witnesses who heard Auria calling for help and by Macal's own actions, such as fleeing the scene. Furthermore, the evidence did not support his claim that there was another man in the room, as the witnesses found only Macal and Auria when they entered the bedroom. The court also found that Macal's defense of accident under Article 12.4 of the Revised Penal Code was inapplicable. For the defense of accident to succeed, the act must be lawful, performed with due care, and without intent to cause harm, conditions not met in this case. Disposition: wherefore, the conviction of Manuel Macal for parricide is affirmed. Macal is sentenced to suffer the penalty of reclusion perpetua and is ordered to pay the heirs of Auria Ytac Macal the amounts of $75,000 as civil indemnity, $75,000 as moral damages, $30,000 as exemplary damages, and 25,000 centers as temperate damages, with interest at 6% per annum until fully paid.